Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have the first update for Windows 11 22H2. After updating, the build number will be 22621.608. Starting with this build, Microsoft addresses issues that cause updates to the Microsoft Store to fail. Also, addresses an issue that affects some apps that were not signed by the Microsoft Store. You must reinstall them after you upgrade the OS. Next to that, addresses an issue that stops you from signing into various Microsoft Office 365 apps. This affects Outlook, Word, Teams, and so on. Next, addresses an issue that affects the Windows search service. It causes the indexing progress for the service to be slow. Next to that, addresses an issue that affects some processors. This issue occurs when you turn on Hyper-V and Kernel Direct Memory Access, DMA, protections. Also, addresses an issue that affects Task Manager. It stops working when you switch between light and dark mode or change the accent color. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog, from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.